Hi, my name is Chandler Hopkins, and I'm the HR manager for Deer Country Farm and Lawn. I was sitting here today thinking about all of the reasons that Deer Country is a great employer for you to consider on your next job hunt or on your current job hunt. Multiple things pop to mind, but the most important one is our people. Our team is our most important asset. We have 4 store locations, around 115 people. We are a professional organization. We have processes and procedures that we use. However, when our individuals are calling or visiting other stores, they ask other team members about how their vacation was this summer or how the kids' soccer game went. So while we're professional, we still manage to have that family atmosphere. Another thing that popped into my mind was the diversity of our leadership team. We have individuals who've grown up in this business. I have 2 individuals who have quite the impressive tenure with us. One is 30 years and one just hit his 41-year anniversary with Deer Country. We also have several millennials, and we have an individual or 2 that didn't grow up in the agricultural industry. Myself is the perfect example. I have HR background, but didn't grow up in an agricultural area. We're always looking for individuals that have diverse schools of thoughts and backgrounds so that we can add to the diversity of our team. Another important point to mention is that we are big proponents of cultural fit. And what I mean by that is we feel like we can train the right individual to do the job. When we're looking for the right fit, we look for hardworking individuals, trustworthy, loyal, somebody who's got grit and isn't afraid to help out their neighbor. We feel that we can train that individual by sending them to internal trainings or to John Deere trainings or to local trainings within the community to get them up to speed on the position. I say this to encourage you. If you don't see a position that you have exactly the right background for posted on our website, still put in a general application. We all know that life is subject to change on a dime. So just because you don't see a position open at that time doesn't mean that there won't be something in the future. If you ever just want to talk about potential offerings or touch base about a job description, I am here for you. Don't hesitate to give our main store location a call. The number you can call is 717-653-2340 and ask for Chandler. Thanks, and we look forward to seeing an application come through from you.